Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix media sound not working in Samsung. All you have to do is just follow these 5 simple steps. So let's get started. Now the first step is to check the volume settings. Ensure that the media volume is not muted or set too low. Use the volume buttons or the on-screen volume controls to check and adjust the media volume level. The next step is to restart the device, power off your Samsung device, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. This can help resolve temporary software glitches that may be causing the sound issue. Third step is to check for software updates. Navigate to the settings menu, then look for the software update option. Check if there are any available updates for your device and install them if available, as updates can often address sound related bugs. The fourth step is to clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, find the app you're using to play media, and select Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary data that may be interfering with the sound. The fifth and final step is to perform a factory reset. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to perform a factory reset. Back up your important data first, then go to the Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. This will restore your device to its original settings, which can help fix software-related sound problems. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.